Retail sales with a big number here this morning. Are we still in a good economy? Coming up here on The Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:20 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It is February 16th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with a big retail sales number, 3.8% in January. Of course, we had a bad number in December. January proving to be much better. Of course, we had pretty good weather around the country. That is normally stimulative for the economy. Retail sales up 3.8%. They're not adjusted for inflation, but still a really, really healthy number. Shows that the economy continues to be in an upward trajectory despite all you hear about inflation, despite all you hear about not being able to find workers. Folks continue to spend. There continues to be positive sentiment going forward on Main Street. Let's not talk about Wall Street. Let's not talk about raising rates, mortgage prices going up, right? We've got rates going up. Let's talk about people actually going out and spending their hard-earned dollars. They're doing it. Continues to be a very good story in the actual economy. And let's talk about a brand that takes advantage of that. Kraft Heinz with nice earnings here this morning. They say, hey, folks have gotten back to college. They've gotten back to restaurants. And we've seen prices go up. Haven't seen demand go down. We've seen demand come back to pre-pandemic levels. Increased prices means increased profits for the brand. Of course, packaged foods, if you think about that as a pandemic stock, right? Folks staying home versus going out to restaurants. People still use ketchup when they go out to restaurants. All told, a very nice quarter for the staple of the American household. Kraft Heinz continues to do very well on a go-forward basis. As you see these bellwether stocks really report that the economy is doing really well, don't you have to think that the overall market sell-off just kind of is fizzling out from a narrative perspective, right? Okay, higher rates are coming, right? Okay, there may be some geopolitical turmoil in Asia. Overall, folks are still spending money. The economy's still doing great. We still have companies run by the best executives in the world right here in the U.S. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Wednesday, Nvidia is teaming up with Jaguar to do self-driving cars. 2025 is their date for having a working model on the streets. That's a nice 3-year time frame to get a working model. Of course, Intel has Mobileye, Tesla has itself. Let's see what Nvidia can do with Jaguar and Land Rover. Interesting. Nvidia, really high-tech, high performance. Jaguar, same deal, but not exactly known as the most reliable auto company. Let's be very clear. Nvidia, maybe you can bring something to the table to help them clean that up. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me on the internet. I am out there. Until then, hope you have a very nice Wednesday. I am out.